hypocycloid. Problem. Draw a hypocycloid of a circle of 40 mm diameter which rolls inside of another circle of 160 mm diameter for one revolution counterclockwise. Draw a tangent and normal to it at a point 65 mm from the center of the directing circle. Draw a part of the directing circle with O' as center and radius 80 mm. Draw any radial line O'P. Locate the point O such that OP equals 20 mm, the radius of the generating circle. With O as center and radius 20 mm, draw the generating circle. Locate the point A on the directing circle such that the arc length PA is equal to the circumference of the generating circle. With center O' and radius O', draw an arc intersecting the line O'A at B. The arc OB is the locus of the center of the generating circle. Divide PA and the generating circle into 12 equal parts and mark O1, O2, etc. on the arc OB. Through the points 1, 2, 3, etc. on the generating circle, draw arcs with O' as center. With center O1 and radius 20 mm, draw an arc intersecting the arc through 1 at P1. In a similar manner, obtain the points P2, P3, etc. A smooth curve through these points is the required hypocycloid. To draw the tangent and normal, locate the point M on the curve, which is at 65 mm from the center of the directing circle. With M as center and radius 20 mm, draw an arc intersecting the locus of the center of the generating circle at C. Join C to O' and extend so that it meets directing circle at N. The line joining N to M is the required normal and a line TT perpendicular to it and passing through M is the required tangent.